A 14-year-old, a Yorkshire river, a 500-kilogram World War II bomb, and a small FIFISH underwater robot. 8 a.m. Riverbank. Cameron and his dad are just testing lights on their ROV when the screen fills with a 2-meter fin-tailed cylinder buried in silt. Gas bottle? Kid thinks. Dad locks in. That's a bomb. The robot holds steady, edges closer, and records the outline, fins, and nose. Everything you need to see. They back off, drop a pin, and send the footage and location to North Yorkshire Police that night. Skeptical at first, until they watched the underwater video. Location confirmed between Bishop Monkton and Newby Hall. Royal Navy EOD steps in, sets a 700-meter safety cordon, and carries out a controlled detonation days later. The next day, the river reopens. Local media runs the story. A scare turned into a safe outcome. In murky, moving water, a compact FIFISH ROV gives you a clear view and a safe distance, so decisions happen fast and people stay out of harm's way.